a mad scientist, are you? No, you're not. You're a consultant. But some consultants act like their client's business is their laboratory. A while back, working with a team, going to solve this problem together, and we're evaluating different tactics to solve that problem. And one of the ways that we work with teams to help pick this tactic versus that tactic is we develop a set of criteria that define probability of success. How probable is it this thing will work to solve our problem? And what it's asking is, what criteria have to be in place to drive success for this particular tactic? And so we're talking through that, and we're looking at half a dozen different things that we could do to solve this problem, and we're evaluating them against the probability of success criteria. There was an organizational psychologist on this team, a consultant, outside consultant to the organization. And they said, well, it doesn't really matter which of these things we pick. And I said, really, why not? And they said, well, because if we try something and it doesn't work, and we can evaluate it against the probability of success criteria, we can then determine why it didn't work and explain why. Just like I'm stunned right now, I was stunned then. I didn't say anything for a few seconds. And I said, well, we're not being tasked here by the CEO to do an experiment and explain why it didn't work. We're being tasked with solving a problem. That's our job. As a consultant or as a freelancer, we solve problems. And if I've seen one, I've seen 1,000 consultants and organizations or OD people inside organizations treat that business like a laboratory. Let's test and see what will work. Won't that be interesting? Big, big mistake. But don't fall into that trap. You're there to help solve a problem. Take that accountability. Pull the team forward with you to take that accountability, and don't treat any of that stuff lightly. So thanks a bunch for listening today, and talk to you soon.